Hi, my name is Beth Serva, and I have done DIY 1.0 and 2.0 now.
Hi, my name is Alana Ainsworth. I teach at the Curtis Giles School in East Boston. I teach kindergarten 2 inclusion.
Hi, my name is Sonia James.
My name is Nikki Whalen. I teach 4th grade at the Curtis Giles Elementary School. This is my second year with do-it-yourself coaching.
And I absolutely love it because I get to see my class on a daily basis, so I get to set my own goals and decide what I get to work on and how my students need to improve and what the best goals for my kids are. I see them every day. I know their strengths, I know their weaknesses, and by videotaping it and watching the videos, I get immediate feedback of what went well and what I need to improve on in my classroom.
DIY coaching has helped improve my own practice because I'm able to be more reflective about my own teaching because I'm watching videos of myself teach, as well as I have a peer who's in early childhood with me and can help analyze the videos with me with a thoughtful mind. And she can coach me along through in my own personal development.
I've noticed, just from doing that, a lot of change in my students. They're asking each other more questions. When they don't understand something and they can't hear someone, they're asking each other to speak up or speak louder, which is something that they weren't always doing before. They ask each other for evidence, like how do you know that that's true, or the strategy to use. I also noticed that they're comfortable kind of jumping in and taking on a challenge and, going back and forth with each other as opposed to, looking to me for all the answers. So I'm excited to see that to continue to develop. And
Seeing a change in my classroom because I'm able to see, especially a small group of students, have sort of an extra set of eyes to help monitor when I'm teaching a new strategy, the effectiveness of that strategy, especially with my most struggling students.
If you are considering 1.0 or 2.0, I strongly urge you to partake in it. It has been a wonderful experience for me, and I too think you could benefit by setting your own goals, and since you know what works best for your classroom and what you want to improve and what you want to work on.